And if there is no God, if there is no creator, then how is this vast and complex universe operates with such precision, such harmony and order? The rising and setting of the sun and moon, the cycles of the moon and the orbits of the planets, the seasons, the patterns in nature, the laws of physics and biology, all these function with such consistency that entire science are built upon their predictability. Can such order come from chaos? Can such intricacy arise without any intent? You see the architecture of a building and know that there must be an architect. You see a painting, a beautiful painting, and instinctively acknowledge the presence of a painter. But when faced with the astonishing grandeur of the cosmos, galaxies spiraling in silence, the fine-tuned constant of the universe that make life possible, our DNA code, the DNA code in every living cell, then you hesitate to accept the existence of a creator. To say this all happened on its own is like saying that a library full of millions of books simply exploded into existence without any reason, with no author at all, no designer at all, no system at all, only randomness. So this is not a reason. This is denial in the face of wonder. Even a leaf in its structure and function defies the logic of chance. Even your consciousness, your ability to reason, to question, to love, to create, how can you claim that such richness came from nothing at all? Remember, no system sustains itself. No law writes itself. No design exists without a designer. And the very fact that you are asking whether God exists, the very capacity to question, this is also a sign of a mind gifted with reflection. Then where do such gifts come from, if not from a higher being? So the absence of your belief in God doesn't erase his existence at all, because the sun doesn't cease to shine just because you close your eyes. Indeed, God is not merely the creator, but also the absolute ruler and supreme commander. After bringing his creation into existence, he did not entrust it to anyone else to govern, nor did he grant autonomy to any part of it to act independently of his will. Rather, every atom of the universe, every moment, every system operates directly under his command and divine will. The coming and going of night and day is not merely a coincidence or an automatic process. It all unfolds under the command of Supreme God. He may halt this rotation whenever he wills, or alter its course according to his decree. The sun and the moon and the celestial stars all are in perfect obedience to their Lord. They possess neither independent power nor personal will. They are bound in complete servitude and submission, fulfilling only what the Lord of Majesty commands them to do. So this universe is not a free autonomous system. It is perfectly ordered, submissive enterprise running under divine sovereignty. Its only creator, its only owner, its only administrator and overseer is Allah Almighty, Allah Azza wa Jal.